Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we are going to do 2012 sample paper 2 MC question 33, and this is a question of base conversion. Okay, so let's get started. For base conversion types of question, we have two types. Is either you have this base converse form or the expanded forms, or sometimes it's just the opposite, vice versa. Okay, and so let's get started. So for this question, first thing you have to know is that these numbers, the big numbers, are the values. This is the base, and one more thing you have to do is to write the powers for these all things. So how do we write powers? We start from the very first one with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so you have to write all the powers so that you are not confused. And then to turn this one into expanded form is very easy. Just do value times the base and then power. So which one is the value, which one is what, and which one is what? So these big numbers 1 0 1 0 0 1, these ones are called the value, and then this small 2 here is the base. This time the base is 2. And then we have powers. Powers are these numbers that we wrote on our own. Always remember to start with 0 because that's a common mistake students do. Okay, and then let's get started to write this one. Base value times base power. So the first value we have here is 1, right? It's actually, we should be starting from 0 so that it's easier. So value is 1, base is 2, power is 0. So 1 times 2, 0. And the next value, because it's 0 here, so we don't have to write it, because see here, 0 times any of the base or power, it will still be 0. So that's why we don't give that any value. And the next one will be here, this one, 1. So can you tell me base? Yes. 2. How about the power? 3. And then continue please. 1 times base 7. 1 times base power 10. 1 times base power 12. Okay, cool. And then we just have to match this one with the answer. If you see the answers, we have 2 in this way. Okay, 1 times anything is anything, so we did not really have to write this one as well. Okay, so if you can delete that, then see this one, 2 to the power of 10, 2 to the power of 12. It's here and here, not these two, of course. So we already know C and D is wrong. But then how about these rest of the things? Well, they did not give the expanded form for these rest of the things. So what we do is just use normal mode calculator and then calculate it. You should be able to get your answer. So we can click together actually. So 2 to the power of 0, and then 2 cube, and then 2 to the power of 7. You should be able to get your answer just like me, 137. Okay, even to the power of 0 you can click it to the power of 0, or if you still remember, anything to the power of 0 is, yes, 1. So it's up to you to click 1 or the whole form just like me. So you get the answer as 137, and that is your final answer, A. So that's all for this question. Hope you like it. If you have more questions, feel free to ask on IG or even in the comment section down below. Thank you.